This is one of the great institutions in which to train if you're interested in doing pulmonary and critical care.
One of the things that really sets us apart as a training program is our integrated research and clinical care environments. We're privileged in our division to have a long history of great contributors to the field of pulmonary and critical care medicine.
We want to train people who are going to be successful in their careers, particularly successful in academic medicine. And in order to do that, you have to be personally invested, you have to care about the science, you have to care about the clinical work that you're doing.
She went to the OR yesterday.
The cool thing about being a fellow is that what I do on a daily basis can change quite a bit from week to week. One of the strengths of our fellowship is sort of the breadth of experiences that we get to have on a daily basis. The role of a pulmonary and critical care fellow is doing pulmonary clinic. We do some time on the hospital ward services, some time in the ICU, and some time doing research.
From the very first year, you're involved in taking care of patients, and you have a very defined role in the ICU as a leader of the team, and then you also do a ton of procedures.
We span from bronchoscopy procedures to pleural procedures and to ICU procedures, and we have quite robust training in all of those areas.
We want our trainees to leave here and continue to contribute to academic medicine and advance our field.
This is an outstanding pulmonary critical care fellowship program where you can develop great clinical skills, learn and teach on the education side, and also have a unique opportunity to really jump in depth into a research experience during fellowship.
I believe that our training is comprehensive. We expose fellows to a diverse patient population.
The program of the VA is very integral to the entire training program for Vanderbilt, but especially so for our pulmonary and critical care fellows. This is a great teaching environment and learning environment.
This is a very exciting time to be at Vanderbilt. We continue to grow. We continue to develop new programs to improve patient care and create novel platforms for clinical care that you can be part of. The Vanderbilt Lung Institute is actually an integration of pulmonary, allergy, and critical care and thoracic surgery. We are able to bring colleagues with different areas of expertise together to discuss complex cases. And that creates a level of efficiency that I think is unparalleled in the country.
Vanderbilt values young people. Vanderbilt wants the next generation to be successful, and that is reflected in our fellowship, including our research program. It's unique and I think really sets us apart from other programs.
I don't think there's a better place in the nation for doing clinical research in critical care. I think it's an amazing place to train that makes amazing clinicians and amazing scientists, and I'm really grateful to this program. The things I'm doing now are really fun and exciting in ways I never imagined 5 years ago.
So to be in a place where you can become an expert ICU physician, you can become an expert in subspecialties of pulmonary medicine like pulmonary hypertension and cystic fibrosis and interstitial lung disease, and to become an expert at basic science research or translational research or clinical-based research. Really, we have so many opportunities available to you here as a trainee. What we offer here is the opportunity for them to choose where they want to be in this field and then to give them the skills that they're needed.
One of Vanderbilt's strengths is that they don't push you to be one thing or another, but there's a ton of support to help you get to where you want to go.
You come here and immerse yourself in the culture, learn from people around you, talk to the attendings, and then pick a project that makes sense to you.
When I walk along the hallway here in our division, there are some names of giants on the doors.
There's a great culture of collaboration here.
I could spend all day talking about all the amazing qualities of our faculty, but the coolest thing about our faculty is everybody's so approachable and kind and always there to help. Nobody's ever frustrated about a overnight call. Everybody's very approachable, and that's just a mix and a combination that you don't get very often.
I'm very glad that I made the decision that I made coming here at Vanderbilt. In fact, I'm actually staying on faculty because I liked it that much.
We give our fellows a lot of autonomy and responsibility, but from that comes incredible poise.
As a faculty member, the fellowship program is extremely valuable to all of us. And education is one of our 3 missions, and we take it very seriously. And the reality is there is no limit to what you can do with the training that you will obtain at Vanderbilt.